welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will not be wearing any makeup today because we will be reviewing a skincare product. So before anything else, a little disclaimer. I know that this product is sent to me for free, but I always tell them, even before giving my personal information, of course, for shipping purposes, I tell them that I will be sharing my 100% or even 1000% honest thoughts regarding their product. Because of course, I will be using it on my face and you'll be seeing the actual result. So I tested this Snail Truecica Miracle Repair Serum for a total of 5 days. And I will be sharing you the clips. So for the past year, skincare products also incorporate snail mucus on cream or serum form. Snail serum is best known for its ability to help our skin restore and fight against damages. SOMEBYMI formulated this Snail Truecica Miracle Repair Serum and claims that this will help on skin regeneration, healing, and recovering effect. Since I've never heard about Truecica, let me just share what I've learned from my research. This ingredient was formulated by SOMEBYMI to soothe our skin and strengthen it to external irritation. Let's now review the product, and the packaging looks like this. And it is on this plastic bottle and pump as dispenser. Well, I have to read online about the product details since everything on the packaging is in Korean language. Before starting my application, let me just share my current skin condition. I do not know if this only happens to me, but I am noticing that my current skincare products do not take effect as much. It feels like my skin gets used to them. I didn't get any breakout, but I noticed that my skin has gained texture and became a little dull. And I also have few pimple marks which are hard to remove. On the first day, of course, I didn't apply it all over my face just to make sure that it will not irritate my skin. But honestly, I am a little confident with SOMEBYMI since Miracle Toner and H7 Cream work well on my skin. Plus, they always make sure that they formulate products for sensitive skin by avoiding 20 harmful ingredients. And by the way, I apply the serum after my toner. On the second day, I started applying the serum all over my face. And the smell of the product is like super light herb, but the smell is quickly gone once applied on the face. On the third day, I started applying the serum for my morning and nighttime routine. And to my surprise, this doesn't feel oily and sticky on my face. Skin texture improved from day 3 onwards. I only used the product for almost 10 days and the visible result that I noticed is that my skin regained its moisture and it is now smoother and brighter. For my acne marks, I've seen a little improvement, but I will still continue to use this to see if it will really lighten them. I am also reconsidering going back to my Miracle Toner since I'm using Esfolio now. Well, this is because I'm trying to look for a substitute product since I find the Miracle Toner too pricey. Well, I'm letting go of the budget concerns for now so I can test out again the product and see if I will regain my smooth and clear skin. Definitely, I will make an update regarding this product if it really did its job on my skin, plus my updated skincare routine. That is it for my review for the Snail Truecica Miracle Repair Serum, and definitely I will continue using this product and I will update you guys once I use the Miracle Toner again. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button if I shared something helpful today, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and click the bell button beside it so you'll get notified with my new uploads. Thank you again for watching and I'll see you on my next one.